This conference will now be recorded.
Let's start today's session. So in the last session, we were discuss about regular expressions, and in that regular expressions, we have seen some character classes, predefined character classes, and also what we can say quantifiers also we discuss. And then today we'll start with the different types of functions of regular expressions. As you know that to work with regular expressions, we use RE module. So RE module contains different types of functions. RE module contains different types of functions. Different types of functions. What are the different types of functions RE module contain means? First one is compile function. Already we discussed compile. And second one is find iter. And third one is what we can say match function. Fourth one is full match function. Full match. And fifth one is find all. Sorry, search function. Search is there. Next function. Next find all. Next sub function is there. Substitute. Next one is sub n, substitute number of replacements. Ninth one is split function. Split function. So these are all important functions which are related to RE module. RE means regular expression. RE module contains different types of functions and compile function, find iter, match, full match, search, find all, sub n, split. All these functions are available. So already we talked about compile function and find iter function in the last lecture. And today we'll look into match, full match, search, find all, sub n, okay, split function, all these things. So first we'll start with match. What is the use of match function? So generally match function is used to find whether given pattern is starting of target string or not. Starting of target string means what? You have to provide the string. Okay, you have to enter the pattern which you want to check. That pattern is starting of the target string or not, it will check. That is match function. Match function will check what? Whether your provided pattern is starting of the target string or not. If your provided string is starting of the target string, then it return match object. Otherwise, it return none. None will return. I'll show you practically how it will work. Okay, match function I'm taking. Okay, match function first. We can use match function to check the given pattern at beginning of target string. If the match is available, then we will get match object. Otherwise, we will get none only. So let's see this match function, how it will work practically. So I'm trying to enter my pattern to check. So P equals to P means pattern. So we have to enter your pattern as input. Input I'm taking. Enter pattern to check. I'm asking. Enter pattern to check I'm taking. Enter your pattern to check. P is a pattern object here. So I need to check this. M equals to M is a match object. RE dot what function we are working? Match function we are working. What you want to search? P I want to search. Where do you want to search? You can decide. I want to search into Durga Soft is my target string. Durga Soft. Yes, Durga Soft is my target string. Okay, this is the case. Okay, I can add your mail also. Okay, yeah. So now you can see import RE. P is pattern. Enter pattern to check. M is a match object. RE dot match function of P comma Durga Soft. Here we have to enter. We have to search. What we have to search? pattern I have to search. Where you have to search? Durga's house. So match object purpose is what? This will check whether your entered pattern is starting of target string. Starting only will check. If it is starting of target string, it return match object. Otherwise, it return none. None, I'm saying. So that's what I'm writing here. If m not equals to none. Not equals to none means what? Something is there in m or not? Yes. If m not equal to none, something is there. Now print. So here I can say that match is available at the beginning of target string. Match is available at the beginning of target string. At the beginning of target string, I can say that at the beginning of target string. Match is available at the beginning of target string. Else block, I can say print. So in the else block, what we have to use? Match is not available at the beginning of target string. Simply, match is not available, not available at the beginning of target string. I can say that at the beginning of target string. This is actually at the beginning of target string. Beginning of target string. Beginning. So now coming to this. So now here it is pattern. Enter pattern to check. M is a match object. Re.match function is there. P is a pattern. This pattern I'm checking into Durga's of target string. If m not equal to none, means something is there in m. That means match object is available. So match is available at the beginning of target string. Else match is not available at the beginning of target string. So once again I'm telling you, this match function will check this pattern into target string whether it is beginning or not. If it is beginning of target string, then it is the return match object. Now you can enter pattern to check. I'm trying to say what we can say hello I'm giving. Is this hello starting of our target string like Durgasoft? No. So match is not available at the beginning of target string. Now is this du is matching of our target string or not? Yes, starting of the target string. Du, our target string is started with du. I have supplied the pattern also du. So now match is available at the beginning of target string only. Match is available at the beginning of target string, sir. So let's see this again. Only starting will check now. Du or the is this available? Yes. So what is there in M, sir? As I said that M not equal to none means something is there in M means match is available. Because if something matching is there, pattern is matching with target string starting, it return match object, otherwise it return none. So what is there in M? If you want to see this, just print M. Simply you will come to know that whether it return match object or it return none. So let's see this enter pattern to check. I'm trying to pattern Durga. So here match is available at the beginning of target string. So we got here M object. M object is match object. So this match object is what? Durga only. So it is available in the span of 0 to 5th index. It's available. So this is called match object. So as I said that if match function is able to find the pattern at beginning of target string, then it return match object. Otherwise, it returns simply none. Suppose Sai, I'm entering the name, but Sai is not at all matching of target string at beginning. So what is the M is there, sir? M is none. Now that's what I'm saying. If M not equal to none means something is there, I have to say yes, match is available at the beginning of target string. Else something none is there, M is equal to none means it will go to else block, it will go to match is not available at the beginning of target string.
Okay, so like this one.
You can also write reverse also. So even if you use equal to means wrong statement here. The right statement, if match object is available, you can go to else block only like this. So this is match function. Match function is used to check whether your provided pattern is starting of target string or not. If your provided pattern is not starting of target string, then it return none only. There is one more function is there like full match function. Full match means it will check complete strings are. Complete string means what? Your provided pattern and target string completely matching. Okay, compulsory. It should be matched completely, not starting only. Your provided pattern full match function means we can use this full match function to match a pattern to all of target string. Means complete string should be matched. That means complete string should be matched according to given pattern. Your pattern should match it with completely, not starting only or in the middle or ending like that. Whatever we include pattern that should be matched with completely. If complete string matched, then this function full match function return match or otherwise it simply returns none only. If complete string matched, then this function returns match object, otherwise it returns simply none sir. That is called full match function. Let's see the small changes I'm doing here. Full match I'm using instead of match, full match function I'm using. So now we can see I'm saying that pattern is fully matched with the target string. Okay, pattern is fully matched with target string. Fully matched with target string. I can say that fully matched with target string. Next, pattern is not fully matched with target string. Else block. Pattern is not fully matched with the target string. Fully matched with target string like this. Yes, fully matched with target string. Not fully matched with target string. It is. Let's see this full match function how it will work. For example, previously I have used Durga. According to match function, it is okay. But right now we have used what? Full match function. Full match function means your entered pattern, it should be fully matched with the target string, but it's not fully matched with target string. That's what M is going to return. What's up? None. Here M is there, no printing. None. So pattern is not fully matched with target string. Okay. Let's see this run again. So now enter pattern to check. Enter pattern to check. DURGASYFT Durgasoft. It's fully matched or not? Your entered pattern and P, that is, it should be fully matched with all the target string characters. So it's matching. So pattern is fully matched with the target string. Then it return M value is match object. The match object is what actually span of 0, 9. Match object equals to Durgasoft. It's matching clearly, sir. Okay. Match equals to Durgasoft is working. So this is about actually pattern is fully matched with target string. Full match function. There is one more function is there, search function. Search function, SEARCH, search function. What is search function? Search is nothing but anywhere it can be searched, not only starting or fully matched, anywhere. Your provided pattern should be there in the target string, anywhere. It can be in the middle or it can be in the starting or ending, anywhere. That is search. We can use this search function. We can use this search function to search the given pattern in the target string. If you want to search the given pattern in the target string, then we use search function. If the match is available, then it returns the match object. Okay. If not, if match is not available, then it returns simply none. Okay. Suppose we can say search is available or search is not available. We'll check by using search function. It can be of anywhere. It can be search, sir. Not a problem. SEARCH search. P pattern Durga. Now you can see here I'm taking if M not equal to none means search is available. Search is available. I can say that. And immediately in else block, I can say search is not available. Search is not available like this. Now let's run this. Now you can say enter pattern to check. I'm using this pattern SAI. But is there any SAI in the target string? No. Search is not available. I can say like RGA. Do you have any RGA in the target string? Yes, we have. Where we have GA in the middle. We are searching RGA is there. So RGA is there. That's what search is available. Now match object also will return where it is available. RGA is a match object. It is available in the span of 2 to 5 index. RE dot match object is working span 2 comma 5 match equals to RGA like this only. Search is available. Okay. So this is search is available. So let's enter this again. So actually in the searching part we have to enter properly, sir, because sometimes we can search for G and S and F. Do you have any GSF? No. But look at this, G is available here, S is located in other location, F is located, but it's not correct because GSF should be there in the same location, but not in the sets like G is somewhere, S is somewhere, F is somewhere like that. It won't search again. Okay, that is you have to take care. So now I'm taking GS, no, I'm taking SY is there. Yes, SY is there. SY is at a time it is there. SY in the same location. So search is available. Match object is SO. It's working fine, sir. So this is searching pattern. Anything you can search. If it is there, then it will work. D is the searching. Yes, it's there. Math D. D is available like this. So this is called search available. Find all method is there. This is the one more method in the regular expression. It is used to find all occurrences of the match. Find all method will do what? It is used to find all occurrences of the match. Yes, sir. It is used to find all occurrences of the match. This function returns a list object which contains all occurrences. This function returns a list object which contains all occurrences. So which this function returns a list object which contain all occurrences. Find all method finally will return what's a list object only. List object means what? All after finding all occurrences based on your regular expression pattern, it will store the result value into list format, sir. Find all method. Let's see this how it will work. Find all method. So this is RE. So L equals to L means finally anyway find all method can return all the values into list object only. That's what I'm using L. L means RE dot find all method. Find all method I'm using RE dot find all. RE dot find all. Find all after based on what you want to find. So you can decide by using regular expression pattern. Suppose I want to find only 0 to 9 digits into my target string. Your target string is what? Any target string like this A, B, 2, okay, C, D, at the right, 9, hash, like this, 9, okay, K, M. So I'm just giving wantedly. Only in this I want to find what's are 0 to 9 digits only in this target string. So this find all method will find this based on this 0 to 9 all occurrences and finally it return that result into what format? List format. You are going to see all the list values only 0 to 9 means numbers only will find 2, 8, 9. If you want to find that A to Z characters, lowercase characters, also it will find and it return list into here. A, C, K here. A, C, K are available here. And to find A to Z now you can see A to Z I'm saying. A to Z means we can get this BDM. So capital letters only we are getting. If you don't want to find A to Z, capital A to Z, ignore that. Means cap symbol you have to use. So remaining characters will find into list format except capital letters like this. These are already we know that. If you don't want A to Z also, small letters, only digits and special characters, then we can give this expression. Cap symbol, capital A to Z, I don't want. Small a to Z, I don't want. Then only I want to give yes. Find iter will iterate number of iterations. No, one by one will iterate. It is used to find all only. Find iter means it will iterate. Number of iterations will be there. One by one it will find. Find all means according to this expression it will find all the values and finally it will return into list format. But find iter method will return match object, but find all method will return list object. So this is find all. Any expression through we can find it. and whatever the expression do you want, you can pass it. Based on this, in the target string, it will find the all occurrences which is available into finally list format only. There is one more method is there, sub method. Sub means substitutes are here. Okay, it is called substitute. Sub means substitution or replacement. So re dot sub is there. Sub is a method, and here the syntax is regex object. Regex means, as I said, that regular expression object only. Regex comma replacement comma target string. Replacement comma target string. We can say that this is regex, regex regular expression, replacement, and target string. Where do you want to replace and what you want to replace, you can see this. Okay, yeah, it will give the result is same only, not a problem. Result will be same, but find iter will return match object, okay, with one by one iterations. But in the find all method will get all the values into list format directly. Regular expression, replacement, target string. Sub means substitute. What you want to replacement, you can mention. Where you want to replace, you can mention in the target string. Based on what expression do you want to replace, you can use regular expression here. So let's see this sub method I'm applying. I'm applying sub method re.sub. According to my scenario, I'm taking what actually A to Z. Inside the A to Z, I'm giving wherever A to Z is there, there I want to replace what actually star. Look at this. This is first regex object re dot substitute. A to Z means what? It is our regex object, regex regular expression. Replacement is what actually in the coding part. Star I am going to use replacement. Target string where this is the target string means in this target string wherever letters capital A to Z are there. Please mute your audio someone. Okay. So now we can see A to Z. Wherever the A to Z capital letters are there in the target string, there it is going to replace with what symbols are star symbol. So this is called substitute or replacement. Now we can see the result is clearly available. All the capital letters are replaced with what? A star symbol like this. All the capital letters are replaced with star symbol. Capital A to Z and star I'm using. Then wherever the capital letters are there, it's going to be replaced with star symbol. So this is correct. And that is your wish. You can use anything. Like I want to replace that only digits places. I want to replace this star symbol. So I'm using digits 0 to 9. In this target string, wherever 0 to 9 digits are there, there I want to replace this star symbol or anything you can replace, not a matter. So now you can see it's going to replace in place of numbers. And I want to go for A to Z and 0 to 9. Meaning is what? You decided that all the lower cases and the numbers, whatever we include, that replaced star only except capital letters. Okay, this is called sub function. Substitute means replacement. According to regular expression, what do you want to replace, you can use it. Where do you want to replace also, we can provide it. Target string. Next here sub n is there. Substitute n means number of replacements here. Substitute. No, you can accept at runtime also. So this substring we can able to accept at runtime also, sir. Whatever the runtime you're accepting, like suppose s equals to input function true, you can accept that. That s we can use here only. Got my point? Like this, we can enter. That is your wish. No need to give this. According to my convenient, I'm giving. You can enter the runtime values also, string value that we can able to use it, that variable name. It will work undoubtedly, not a problem. Next sub n is there. Sub n and substitute always same, sir. But almost same. But the small difference is what? Sub n means sub n function will return number of replacements also. How many replacements are taking place, that also will return by sub n. So sub n is exactly same as sub function, except it can also returns the number of replacements. This function returns finally tuple format with two elements, where first element is the result string and second element is the number of replacements. So we can get two values finally in the tuple format. So first element is always result string and second element is the number of replacement will be written sub n. Let's see this sub n how it will work. Same example I'm showing, sub n. So what I'm trying to say here, only 0 to 9 I'm deciding that star symbol I have to place it, and finally the result will be tuple format only, sir. This is tuple format. Now even you can see this type print type of L also, that is tuple format only. Because of L means it doesn't means list only, sir. Okay, so that you have to know that L means tuple only here, because my object name is L only. It's a tuple. Tuple is having two elements. One element is result string. What is the result string after replacement? And second element is what, actually number of occurrences, number of replacement. How many number of replacements are taking place? Three replacements occur in this context, means three digits are there, like 2 and 8 and 9 is there. In place of these three digits, what I replaced means star I replaced here. L equals to re dot substitute n number of occurrences, number of replacements also I want to return. So two elements are there. This is tuple format. First of element is result string. Second element is what, number of what we can say, this is number of replacements. You can use again capital A to Z. Now number of replacements increase because we have 6 times replaced this star value, and result after 6 times replaced this star value, then we got this, what, this is only. Okay, this is about sub n function. Finally, split function is there. Split, you know already about split function. We have seen this split function in the context of string split. String split means what? String split means, for example, based on the separator, if you want to split something, then we can use split function. Generally, split function by default returns list format. You know that in the string context already we discussed. If you want to split the given target string according to a particular pattern, then we should go for split function. This function returns a list of all values whatever we split that. Okay, it is going to be return all the values. Suppose here I am applying split function, sir. So let's see this split function where you want to split. L equals to re is a module name, dot split is a function name. So I can supply dot is here. Dot means everywhere I want to split, that is, so www dot durgasoft.com I am using. This is my target string. This is my target string. And now you can see print L after that. But look at this. I am using as a regular expression, that is dot. So my target is wherever the dot is there, there I want to split. Means ww one split, Durgasoft is another split, com is another split I want to do. So re dot split function I'm using. Dot is the separator. As a separator I'm using here, but wherever the dot separator is there, there it is going to split ww separate and Durgasoft separate, com separate. But look at this, what is going to happen? Is this going to happen like this? ww separate, Durgasoft separate, com separate? No, everything is going to be separated. Why? Because in my previous session I discussed dot represent according to regular expression, especially in the predefined character classes. I said dot means what? Everything, everything. Let's see this, that also in the predefined character classes I have included clearly dot represent what, sir? Everything, sir. Now you can see this in the predefined character classes. You just observe here, dot means everything I said. Now you can see dot meaning is what? Any character including special characters, we can say that. Any character including special character. Okay, this is the case. So that's the reason here what is going to happen here. dot means everything is going to consider, but I want to consider this dot as a separator. Separator means WW separate, Durga Soft separate, CYM separate, like that. So that's what I can use slash I'm using. Now if I use slash, automatically it will be separate. So it is considered as a what we the moment when I use separator, then automatically it will be clearly available. So it will act as a separator. Separator means I can separate them by using dot operator, and we are separating WW separate, Durga Soft separate, CYM separate, like this. We are using this one only. L equals to RE dot split slash dot. This is what www dot durgasoft dot com, like this. So this is called split function, like this. If I don't use this one, slash, backslash, it will consider all. Dot means according to regular expression everything. But everything I don't want to split. Only wherever dot is there, that is I want to split now. So www durgasoft CYM, like this. These are all built-in functions which are available in regular expressions. We can modify the target string based on this functions which is available under regular expression. Apart from these, there are two special symbols also there that I want to do. That special symbols are, one is cap symbol and then one dollar symbol. This, these two symbols are available in regular expression, cap symbol and dollar symbol. What is the cap symbol usage means? This cap symbol we can use to check whether the given target string starts with our provided pattern or not. Check whether the given string, whether the given string, whether the given string, check whether the given string, whether the given target string starts with our provided pattern or not. Whether the given target string, starts with our provided pattern or not. Whether the given string, target string starts with our provided pattern or not, we can check by using this. But at the same time, same dollar symbol also, we can use this symbol to check whether the given target string ends with our provided pattern or not. Same thing only, ends with only we are checking. This dollar sign is used to check whether the given target string, not startings or ending only, ends with our provided pattern or not. Cap symbol usage is what? To check whether the given target string starts with our provided pattern or not. Dollar sign can be used to check what? Whether the given target string ends with our provided pattern or not. So starting purpose, we can use cap symbol, and dollar means ending purpose, ends with. But make sure that these two symbols will work with only search function. Search function through only it will work, sir. Not available on other functions. Only search function through it will work, otherwise not. So let's see this how we can use these two symbols in our programming. So let's consider this S is my input, or else you can take directly also. So now you can see learning Python is very easy. Learning Python is very easy, I'm saying. And S is, that is learning Python is very easy. Now I'm trying to use M is math object. RE dot what search function you have to use. In search function only we have to apply these symbols, and what you want to search, you can say this. I want to say that learn starting with means cap symbol you have to use. That means you are checking whether your target string is starting with learn or not. Okay, so what is your target string? S is there already. S is declared. Learning Python is very easy. In this target string I am checking what? Whether my string is starts with learn or not. How this search function will find whether it is starts with learn or not? Because of cap symbol I'm using, but always cap symbol recommended to use starting only, because we are using starting. So start only compulsory. Now here I'm taking, if it is Your really target string is starts with len, it return match object, otherwise none. So m not equals to none, I'm saying. Then after that, what I'm trying to do, print here, what I'm saying that target string starts with what we can say len only. I'm giving here target string starts with len. Otherwise, I can say else block print target string not starts with len. So now you can see our target string is this one. Learning Python is very easy. I'm applying that is cap symbol to search whether my target string is starts with learn or not by using search function. If really your target string is starting with learn word, then we can say if block target string starts with len, else target string not starts with len. Let's run this. Now you can see target string starts with learn only. Yes. But for example, if I say capital letter learn, we are using L is a capital, but here in the target string L is a small. Obviously, it will go to else block. Target string not starts with small letter L, len, because we have provided what L only. Sometimes, if you want to ignore the cases means what? Lowercase, uppercases. Sir, I am just giving LEA or N, len, but my target string is not really starts with LEAR and len capital letter. In this case, it's go to else block. Target string not starts with len. But do you want to ignore the cases? There is third parameter is there, re dot ignore case. Re is a regular expression module. Dot ignore case is one of the property. It's a constant. So cases will be ignored, sir. No matter what case you are going to use, L, E, A, or N, len capital or small. So no problem. It will work fine. Now you can see target string starts with len only. Target string starts with len. Correct. It is correct. But previously when I was not taking like the ignore case, that's wrong because cases also compulsory required. So this is what cap symbol we are checking whether your target string is starting with len or not, we are checking. If you want to check something in the ending only, then we use what symbol? Dollar symbol. For example, I'm taking my string is ends with easy, so I can use dollar symbol also. This word with the dollar symbol end. Target string ends with the easy, I can say that target string ends with easy, or else target string not ends with easy, like this. Target string not ends with easy here. This is target string not ends with easy. So let's run this. We can say target string ends with easy, like this. Ends with easy because here easy is there. Even if you can say capital letter also, it's okay, no problem, because we are using ignore cases. So if I say that ignore cases removing here, but cases also very considerable, because here easy capital is there, but your target string small letter is there. That's what we are getting. Target string not ends with easy. Okay, so this is compulsory matching only. Now this time target string ends with easy. So ending purpose we use dollar sign, starting purpose we use cap sign, but both are ending means dollar sign should be ending of your target, ending of your setting function, setting value, and starting means cap symbol compulsory starting of your search value only in the result. So this is about what we can say two symbols are there. Now let's try to write some regular expression to validate mobile number 10 digits or not. Okay. I'm writing some example like I want to write a program to find to check whether your mobile number which is entered by the user is correct format or not. I want to check. So to check that, very simple, sir. Here, let me accept first mobile number from the user. N equals to int of input of I'm taking mobile number from the user. Okay, enter mobile number. Mobile number I'm taking. User will enter the mobile number. That mobile number is 10 digit number or not, I have to cross verify. So how to cross verify? By using regular expressions. So now here I'm checking m equals to match object re dot, but make sure that we have a lot of functions discussed like match function, full match function, sets function, sub function like this. But to perform the validations like mobile number is correct or not, or mail ID is correct or not, what is the best function is required means full match function. So full match only can be used, sir, because it should be fully matched. Your entered mobile number and target string both are matched or not. Full match function. So what is the expression for accepting mobile number 10 digits or not means slash t open bracket close bracket 10 digits mobile number. I have to check where you want to check. Your input is n. So here f m not equals to n not equals to none means something is there, correct value, match object is there. So valid mobile number, I can say that valid mobile number, valid mobile number I can say. Else block I can say invalid mobile number. Print what I can say invalid mobile number, invalid mobile number. So valid mobile number and invalid mobile number. So when full match function will compare with what? Fully into this mobile number which is entered by the user. I am giving my regular expression is what? Slash d of 10. D for digits. 10 digits mobile number or not, it will check. Just look at this enter mobile number. So I am entering this number is like this, but it's not a 10 digits. So obviously expecting got integer. Okay, fine. So regular expression by default string format. No need to convert that. Directly you can accept this now. Now you can say enter mobile number. So something like this I'm entering. This is not 10 digit mobile number. We got invalid number, invalid mobile. Because we don't have any 10 digits number. But our expression is what actually 10 digit mobile number accepting only. The moment when I run this, now I'm trying to write 10 digit mobile number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits are there here. So it is valid mobile number. So we entered 10 digits mobile number, then only it is valid because I have used the expression is slash d for digits and 10. So 10 digit mobile number only accepted, otherwise not. Suppose my requirement is what you know. So I want to say two conditions I want to keep that. So condition based expression how to write. So condition number one is compulsory mobile number should be 10 digits only. Mobile number should be 10 digits for sure. This is okay. But along with this, what I can say, the mobile number should starts with just I'm taking my own condition. Mobile number should starts with should starts with should start with 7 or 8 or 9. Okay, 7 or 8 or 9. These three numbers only. So to represent 10 digit mobile number, this is simple expression we can write, sir. Slash d of 10 means 10 digits only. But my condition is what? Total number of digits in mobile number is 10 digits, and also I need to start my mobile number need to be starts with 7 or 8 or 9 digits only. Remaining numbers, if it is start, then I don't want to accept it. In that context, we can write expression like this. How to write? First number should be 7 or 8 or 9, so that's what 7 to 9 I'm giving. Remaining numbers are what actually? 9 numbers. So 9 numbers, it can be 0 to 9. 9 times you have to write it like this. Copy, paste it and paste it here. Now you can see this is one expression which will work. First number should be 7 or 8 or 9. That's what I'm using, 7 to 9. And second number can be 0 to 9, third number can be 0 to 9, fourth number can be 0 to 9. Like this, remaining 9 numbers can be 0 to 9. This expression will work. Look at this, we have a restriction on this expression now. Let's try to copy and paste it. Now you can see 7 to 9, 0 to 9, all these things. Now this time, here you can see this. I am entering this 10 digit mobile number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 only. Even though if I enter 10 digit mobile number, it's not correct because your number is not started with what? 7 or 8 or 9. Is this number started with 7 or 8 or 9? No. That's what incorrect. If I starts with number like 9, correct only, but total digits are not correct. Now this time you have started your mobile number is 9 only, but total number of count of digits are not correct. So that's what invalid mobile number again. Let's restart again. I'm starting with mobile number 9. So it should be 10 digits only compulsory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's correct. Your number started with 9 and total it's also 9, 10. It's working fine. So do you think this expression is lengthy? So we can able to write one more expression also like this. If you feel that it is lengthy, simply 0 to 9, 0 to 9. How many digits are required? 9 digits are there, 0 to 9 digits. Like this you can use. Number should be 7 or 8 or 9, and remaining 9 numbers should be 0 to 9. This will also work, sir. Suppose if my mobile number starts with 7, after that 10 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct only. If your mobile number starts with 8 but total digits are not correct, invalid number. Even we can simplify this like this only, slash d of 9 only. 7 to 9 slash d of 9 means digits, 9 digits. You can write any expression like this, sir, not a problem. So this is regular expression for accepting 10 digits mobile number. So my requirement is my number should start with 7 or 8 or 9 and total digits count also actually uh, 10 only. So that's what it's a valid number. And same way we can write regular expression for mail also. Enter mail ID. So I can write mail ID expression like this. So I'll write it mail ID expression slash w for word, and in this I am giving my mail ID expression. So A to Z I can give, capital A to Z I can accept, 0 to 9 digits I can accept, underscore I can accept, dot I can accept, star at gmail.com. Only Gmail expressions I am writing. So com, but .com is compulsory enclosed within the square bracket. This is my mobile mail ID here. So that is mail ID, mail ID. So this mail ID I am passing here only. This mail ID is correct or not, I am checking, sir, here. Okay. This is, yes, int we are not using because it's a regular expression. Against it to string only it will work. Regular expression is a declarative mechanism to represent a group of string according to pattern or format. That's what I have not used int. Now you can see mail ID, input, enter your mail ID. That mail ID I'm checking. And my requirement is what mail ID pattern. So mail ID first format should be A to Z or A to Z or 0 to 9, underscore also possible, dot also possible. Sometimes user can give the dot symbol, and gmail.com. So why I'm mentioning this dot inside the square bracket means it's mandatory thing. If I don't pass this dot into square bracket, it makes all. Let's see this. So user is entered like M capital HAN, underscore is possible, dot is possible, digits are possible, at the rate symbol, gmail.com. This is correct, valid. All may use or may not use, but user can use these many options. Like user can enter the first part of the mails, lower cases, upper cases, digits, underscore, dot, like this. And we can enter valid mail ID. Sorry, it is, I am not changing that, valid mail ID, and invalid mail ID, invalid mail ID here. So let's run this. I'm giving some mohan at gmail.com. This is correct, valid mail ID. You want, sometimes user wants to get capital letters, gmail.com, it is correct, valid mail ID. If user wants to some of them capital letters like this and digits also, okay, underscore symbols, okay, at the rate of gmail.com, this is valid, all things. But look at this, if I try to give mohan gmail.com, at the rate symbol I'm missing here, then it is invalid. Okay, yes. Sir, what happen if I try to remove this dot symbol, which is not enclosed in the square bracket? So if I remove this for this dot square bracket, then what is the problem means, according to regular expression, this dot is nothing but everything. Everything means what? Even if I don't mention, okay, dot symbol also in my input, Gmail, there is no dot, but still it is valid only. Mohan at gmail.com. Okay, Mohan at gmail.com. So here .com is, even it is invalid, correct only, but sometimes you can see I try to give this Gmail space I'm giving, but here space is there, but space is there. Is this valid? No, invalid, but it is valid only. Why it is valid? Because this dot is making space also correct. So dot means everything, but this is not considering everything. I want to consider this mandatory thing. So that's what dot is mandatory. So that's what we have to include, that dot symbol inside the square bracket only. Valid mail ID. But this expression is for what mails are only Gmails, not for other mails. Look at this. I have created expression for only Gmails. Suppose user wants to give company mail ID like mohan at durgasoft, mohan at yahoo.com. It's invalid. Mohan at rediff.com, like this. It's invalid. So this expression is not suitable for what actually? Other mails, only Gmails only it will accept. If I try to change here Yahoo, now this time this mail pattern is accept only for Yahoo mailers only, not other mails. Yahoo.com is valid, but gmail.com is invalid. Sir, what about our expression for accepting all the mails? Means yes, there is a standard expression which I collected from other technologies like ASP.NET. There we can mention standard expression. I have given in my documentation also. You can go through this. So this is the validation expression for all mail IDs. And don't try to understand, because no one can write their expressions own, because it is typical to write these things. So that's what most of the technologies will provide built-in expressions in the technology itself. We can use it directly as a programmer or developer. No one can write their own expressions like this very length expression. These are the standard expressions. So this expression is for all mails. Look at this, mohan at gmail.com is working. Valid mail ID. Mohan at the rate of yahoo.co.in, it working. It's a valid mail. And even other company mails like mohan at durgasoft.com, it's a company mail working. But only standard thing, if you missed like mohan gmail.com, like this at the rate is missing, no, it is invalid. So this is the standard expression for all mails which I included in my documentation. You can just go through that. So this is useful for validations, but actually we don't write in our upcoming session, even Django and REST framework also we don't use this type of expression, because every web technology like Django, ASP.NET, JSP, Angular will provide all built-in expressions internally. So we need not to write it explicitly. But if at all you want to do customization of your expressions, then we can follow some rules and regulations by creating our own expressions like this. So this is about regular expression in today's session. So that's all for today. In tomorrow, we'll discuss a new topic.